As per the specialized examination of Axie boundlessness costs expected in 2023, the base cost of Axie will be around $7.55. The greatest value that the Axie can reach is $18.34. Based on our Axie boundlessness cost forecast 2025, the cost of Axie tokens is anticipated to rise and reach $29.48 toward the finish of 2025. Axie coin cost expectation 2030. Axie limitlessness cost for 2030, as per our gauge, will be in a reach between $65.75 to $94.65, and the typical cost of Axie may be around $80.20. Cryptographic forms of money have continuously pervaded the standard awareness and gotten forward movement. Notwithstanding, a considerable lot of them neglect to go the distance and will keep on doing as such, gave it C's mass reception at the point when a progressive resource stepped in. This was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority try for the sake of entertainment. Play-to-procure games have become incredibly well known throughout the course of recent years. Axie boundlessness is one of the most outstanding P2E gaming universes spinning around Pokémon-esque animals known as Axies. It empowers players to gather and mint NFTs. To play Axie vastness, players need to have the stage's local digital currency, Axie limitlessness shards. Axie was sent off in Nov 2020, and players can purchase, exchange, and procure Axie tokens by playing the game. What is Axie limitlessness? Being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie endlessness is based on Ethereum organization. There are limitless approaches to procuring Axie. However, being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, blockchain remunerating players for commitment is completely unbelievable in the realm of Axie vastness. Axie limitlessness biological system is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and fabricate utilizing digital money. Players can acquire the Axie crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. These fight NFT games have acquired huge ubiquity around the world. Consequently, this might support the general development of the Axie biological system and ETH, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. From one viewpoint, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion period. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out work open doors for the general population and constructs a feel of major areas of strength for a cutting the guide to a feasible stage. Clients can possess the local Axie boundlessness of the Axie commercial center, gather them, and use them across a consistently growing universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie vastness convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The benefits of blockchain go past boundaries and the restrictions of simply the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie vastness is set to make lives more enabled and quick. In a special manner, the Axie vastness convention has likewise added to killing the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They additionally came in bundles, be it repetitive expenses, speed, or pretend of mediators. Axies altogether centers around offering clients the advantage of proficient information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and faultless, consequently legitimizing its worldview job in the computerized ecospace. Axie limitlessness specialized examination with a market cap of $971,405,525 and an exchanging volume of $57,202,048. Axie boundlessness ongoing cost activity mirrors a nice recuperation. The Axie limitlessness cost weights around $8.38, with an unsurpassed high and low of $165.37 and 12 cents. Separately, in the crypto market, Axie endlessness has an ongoing flowing stockpile of 115,612,959 X, and the organizers behind Axie limitlessness are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie boundlessness has a ton of vows to view for its fans according to their specialized investigation. As per specialized examination, Axie tokens have been exchanging incredibly negatively. In the wake of raising a ruckus around town, the token revised hugely and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. Notwithstanding, the future cost of Axie boundlessness is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is Axie boundlessness still the best coin to purchase in 2023? Axie endlessness universe offers many advantages. However, the year 2022 was not awesome for the cryptographic money market. The market was incredibly unstable, and the gamble to rewards proportion was additionally negative. Axie holders might add more tokens to average their property. However, for new financial backers, it is a dangerous opportunity to enter the market. Be that as it may, since the cost is supposed to rise, dealers who can bear the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie boundlessness shards. Instability is the greatest casualty of the crypto market. It settles on venture choices and forecasts the most difficult. In any case, our impartial crypto conjecture will make this cycle simpler for you. Will the Axie boundlessness cost go up? Peruse our Axie boundlessness value forecast to know the eventual fate of the Axe token. As per wallet financial backers' Axe cost expectation, it is a terrible long-haul venture as the cost in the following year might drop to 57 cents, while, as indicated by our Axie boundlessness estimate, the Axe cost could start an upturn and cross $29.48 toward the finish of 2025, making it a wise venture. As indicated by Gov Capital, Axie boundlessness has a promising future. It is anticipated that the cost of Axie endlessness might skyrocket to $170.10, making it a wise venture by 2027. While the value forecasts investigation proposes that the cost of Axie limitlessness might reach $166.98 by 2030. Axie endlessness value expectation 2023. Our Axie vastness cost forecast proposes that the symbolics cost could record a nice recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the Axie boundlessness cost is estimated to have a most extreme worth of $18.34, while the typical cost might be around $12.94. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $7.55. Axie limitlessness coin value expectation 2024. According to our Axie vastness cost forecast, the Axe coin will precede the upturn as long as possible, and its most extreme worth might reach $22.60. While the base cost might be $15.70. Simultaneously, the Axe token could have a typical cost of around $19.15. It is normal that the Axe financial backers might acquire fair benefits in the year. Axie vastness value forecast 2025. Axie limitlessness in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $24.98. While the base and greatest Axie limitlessness cost may be $20.48 and $29.48 individually. In view of our Axie boundlessness coin cost forecast 2025, Axe value expectation 2026. According to the Axie vastness conjecture, the Axe coins could arrive at the most extreme worth of $37.34, with a base cost of $25.94. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $31.64. In light of our cost expectations, the Axie vastness coins cost ascend for the year may be gigantic. Axie boundlessness crypto value forecast 2027. In light of the specialized examination and Axie endlessness expectation, the digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $40.96. While the base and most extreme costs of Axe are expected to be $33.58 and $48.34. Axe coin value expectation 2028 as indicated by our Axie endlessness forecast. The most extreme worth is expected to be $59.02, while the potential low might be around $41. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $50.01 all year long. Axie limitlessness coin expectation 2029. When it is 2029, the likely high of the coin might have reached $75.